Hello, my name is Hudson, and welcome to Cooking with Grammy. With me today is Grammy, and today we will be cooking spaghetti. Grammy, how is spaghetti cooked?
Well, spaghetti is probably one of the easiest meals you can learn to make. It's basically boiling the spaghetti noodles, cooking up your meat, whatever kind of meat you want in your spaghetti, adding your sauce, voila, you have your spaghetti. So first we start by getting the water hot for the spaghetti. Depending on your stove, it takes longer or shorter. And while your water's heating, you brown your ground beef and get that done, drain it, and add your sauces. And then when your water is boiling, you add the spaghetti and cook it for about 7 to 9 minutes. And when the spaghetti is done, you're ready to eat.
Sounds simple enough.
It is.
Let's enjoy.
Okay.
Is it done, Grammy? Hey Grandpa, I made your favorite meal. I cooked it all by myself.
What are you talking about? You didn't do a thing for that meal.